Hello everybody, welcome back to the Skyway Classics channel. Today we have a beautiful 1965 Ford Mustang Convertible. It's got the poppy red color, $289. It has more of like a tan interior leather, white top. It is manual with the green dot transmission. If you know about Mustangs, you know it is a pretty rare feature. Factory air, original air. And just beautiful. Power top. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Let me grab the key out of the ignition, pop the hood or the trunk real quick. Got something special in there. Got the boot, a spare, but then also in this bag here, we have the original jack and all the pieces that came with the original. So that's super awesome. Trunk is in fabulous condition all the way around. Just beautiful. I mean, this car is amazing. Hop in here real quick and take a look at the interior. Beautiful backside. Show you the clusters real quick. Very, very nice. All right, we'll go ahead, open up the hood, take her for a spin, put her on the hoist. All right, here we are with the Mustang. Takes that bump very, very nicely. Great acceleration, wow. So smooth. Absolutely phenomenal. AC blows nice and cold. A little strong. I'm gonna go ahead and turn around real quick. Wow, is this car smooth. Just beautiful. Oh my goodness, I like this. Might be my favorite one on the lot now. All right, let's go throw her on the hoist and check out underneath. All right, here's the Mustang up on the lift. Check out underneath, absolutely beautiful. Very well maintained. Strong. I'm gonna go ahead and flip all the way down, get some better lighting. Very, very nice car. Love the color. Love the interior and the convertible. Drives so nice. This is just a beautiful, beautiful car. If you have any questions or concerns, please give us a call, shoot us an email. Love to tell you more about it.